Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer cash management with SoFi, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the SoFi app on your mobile device or visiting the SoFi website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the cash management option in the menu. Click on cash management to access your account details. Review your current balance for accuracy. To initiate a transfer, select the transfer option. Choose whether you want to transfer funds to another SoFi account or an external bank account. If transferring to another SoFi account, enter the recipient's details as prompted. For transfers to an external bank, provide the bank's routing number and your account number. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Select the transfer date, choosing either immediate or scheduled. Review all transfer details to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transfer by tapping the Submit button. Wait for the confirmation message indicating your transfer is successful. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Check your balance to verify the changes post-transfer. If you encounter issues, refer to the help section or contact SoFi support for assistance. That wraps up our guide on transferring cash management with SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.